Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to pin Windows on your Samsung Galaxy device. So let's start. First open settings on your Galaxy device. Now scroll down and tap on biometrics and security. Now scroll down and tap on other security settings. Now scroll down again and enable pin Windows. Now close the settings app. Now open the recent apps window. Here you can see I have many apps in the recent windows. Now long press the app icon and you'll see the pin option. Now tap on pin this app. Now tap OK. Now this app has been pinned. Now watch all the videos on YouTube you want. The app won't close. Now if we go back and try to close the app by tapping on the home button, you'll see it won't work. And a message says that the app is pinned. To unpin, touch and hold the recent and back button at the same time. The recent button is the 3 bars button just beside the home button. And the back button is on the opposite side. Now let's unpin this app by holding on the recents button and the back button together. And now the app is unpinned and you can close the app. Now let's try this on another app. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.